Is your Kia's seatbelt alarm driving you crazy? It's a common issue, especially in models like the Sorento, Telluride, Carnival, and Sportage. The most frequent culprits are the buckle sensor, the occupancy sensor in the seat, or simply a setting gone wrong. A faulty buckle sensor often occurs when debris like spilled drinks gets inside. Use compressed air or isopropyl alcohol to give it a good cleaning. The occupancy sensor can be triggered by heavy items on the seat, so remove anything that might be activating it. The alarms can also be configured within the car's infotainment system. Many issues have been resolved through over-the-air software updates. If cleaning and basic resets don't work, the problem might be a faulty occupancy sensor mat or a deeper software glitch. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B0050, which indicates a buckle fault. Kia has issued software updates to fix some of these issues. If you're still having trouble, especially if you have a hybrid model, it's best to take your Kia to a dealership for diagnostics to avoid damaging the system with DIY attempts that could void warranties. Dealership diagnostics are often free, and they can pinpoint wiring or module problems that are harder to detect on your own.